Do you want to know how you can enable your passcode lock on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable passcode lock on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. After you open Telegram, go ahead and click on the menu button on the top left hand side. Click on settings, scroll a bit down, you can see privacy and security over here, tap on it and you can see passcode lock. It is currently turned off. To turn it on, go ahead and click on passcode lock and click enable passcode. What you need to do now is enter a 4-digit passcode to unlock your Telegram. So go ahead and write down your passcode. Enter it once again and then you can see that your passcode has been enabled. You can also unlock your Telegram app using your fingerprint. So you can click enable and you can see auto lock option is over here, so you can choose the auto lock option from here as well. After you're done, click done over here and you can go back, and if you close the Telegram app and try to open it and try to open some chats or something like that, your passcode will be turned on. So this is how you turn on your passcode, guys. You can see that you need to enter your passcode and there you go. This is how you turn on your passcode on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.